In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your screen mockups using Artboard Studio mockups on Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Figma is an incredibly powerful and versatile tool for creating and sharing stunning designs collaboratively. So let's dive in and explore how to effectively use Artboard Studio mockups in your Figma projects. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Figma is an online interface design tool that has gained popularity due to its user-friendly platform and robust collaborative features. Once you are on the webpage, locate and click the login button if you already have an account. If not, you'll need to create an account to proceed. Logging in will take you to the homepage of Figma, where you can access all your design files. After logging in and reaching your Figma homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new to the interface. Next, you need to head over to the design section. This is where all the creative magic of Figma happens. Click on the design menu, which is typically found on the left hand side of the interface. It's here that you can view, create, and organize your design projects. Once you've clicked on design, you'll be directed to a workspace that will display all your design files. Now shift your focus to the top menu bar and look for the action button. This button is your gateway to various plugins and integrations that Figma supports. Go ahead and click on it. In the action menu, you'll see a search bar. Here, you should type in Artboard. Figma's plugin library is vast, and search functionality makes it easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling through endless options. As you type Artboard, suggestions will start to appear. Look for Artboard mockups in the list and select it. Now you'll notice an option to run the plugin. Go ahead and click Run. Running the plugin integrates Artboard Studio directly into your Figma workspace. This is where the real fun begins, as you can start importing and customizing Artboard Studio's high quality mockups to suit your design needs. Utilizing Artboard Studio mockups is a great way to visualize how your digital products could look in a real world context, whether it's on a smartphone, tablet, or desktop. Play around with the different mockup options available. Experimenting will help you become more proficient and comfortable with creating professional grade visual presentations of your designs. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can effectively create and enhance your screen mockups using Artboard Studio mockups on Figma. It's an invaluable skill for anyone looking to improve their design presentations and collaborational work through Figma. Thanks for following along and happy designing.